The other day I did a video talking about that one piece of DJ equipment that you hate. Everybody has it. Everybody's bought it at one time or another. And if you want to talk about that, go back a couple of videos and leave that comment. Today I want to be positive, and I'd like to talk about that one piece of equipment that you bought that you just love. It's made either your life easier or it's made your performances better. Let us know what that thing is in the comment section. I have several, and I like the stuff that I like for several different reasons. First of all, you know I love my Technics 1200 turntables. That's a nostalgia thing, and I don't know, I don't use them a lot on the road. Last time I had Technics out was probably, I think, 12 years ago. So if I were to fast forward to now, I think technology has come a long way and has made my life easier. There have been some great innovations for things that set up fast or easy to control or load in real easy. I love my rock and roller cart. It gets me in and out of events super quick, and the cool thing about it that's different from other carts is that it's relatively lightweight and really, I guess collapses very small, so I don't have to have this big cumbersome cart in the back of my vehicle. I take it out, I expand it, I load it up, it's like 8 feet long, I can put tons of stuff on it and roll into an event. The Evolve 50 speakers and the Evolve 30s really have made life super easy, and they've eliminated the need for me to put a speaker on a pole. And as a disabled guy, that's amazing. There are some other column arrays out there, but you had to assemble a pole, and sometimes those threads would get stuck, and it's really hard one-handed to undo that stuff. So the fact that it just goes together magnetically with the pole system and all, that's wonderful, and they sound great. I like my ADJ Pro event table too. It puts the table height at 35 inches, which really makes a difference on my back. You lean over a little bit, and you don't think it's a lot at an event, like on a 6-foot banquet table, but over the course of several hours, you start to feel it. So that Pro event table puts stuff at a great height where I'm never leaning over, and I've got a lot more energy, and I feel better after my events. But there's all kinds of stuff that I dig. Let us know what you like in the comments section. Love to hear from you. That's it. We'll see you soon. Maybe I'll do a video later on today. Practice and enjoy.